Look, boys, 2022 is poising to be one of my favorite style years yet. The style trends for this year, in my opinion, they just look good, bro. The aesthetic is clean, it's simple, anybody can implement them. And the 6 that I'm gonna talk about today, I promise you, not only do they look good, you can pick any of them and add them to your wardrobe and instantly look more stylish. Let's hop into this. Number 1, the Grandpa Cardigan. Now, the beauty of a lot of these style trends is that they've been in style or they've been in style in the past at a certain time period. The Grandpa Cardigan, it's no different. I would say it was probably popularized a lot by Tyler, the Creator, but there's a lot of people wearing this style right now. And you even have popular design houses like Amy Leon Dore popping out collections with these cardigans. The beauty of the cardigans, they're light, they're easy to wear, you can layer them on top of anything, and you can pretty much use them 3 seasons out of the year. This rolls us on to number 2, New Balance. New Balance has made one of the strongest comebacks probably in history. Yo, this thing is more hyped than Nike and Adidas at this point, and anything that's New Balance just hits. Any fit that you throw on and you pair it with New Balances, you know you got a solid fit. Now, there's a lot of styles that look good. Personally, I just picked up the 2002 Rs. They look sick. I love the vintage structure that it has. Another pair that's very popular, and I would say is probably more versatile if you're just starting out, you want to get your feet wet, try the 550s. This is a more structured design that's easier to complement your fits or any fit that you have, especially the all-white colorway that you could probably pick up for about 150 bucks. 3, narrow eyewear. See, for sunglasses, people are so used to wearing your classics like your Aviators, your Clubmasters, and by the way, these look great. These are classics for a reason. You should have them in your wardrobe. But if you want to add a little bit of spice in your life, if you really want to swap it and switch it out, pick up narrow eyewear. Narrow eyewear is thinner on the face. It looks more elegant. It's definitely more of a vintage or a throwback feel, and it looks sick. Bro, we just dropped our new designs from Jade Black following this aesthetic because I want you to spice up your life. See, I don't want you to be wearing the same boring stuff over and over and over again. I want you to bring out pieces that when you throw them on, not only do you feel confident, you know you look like a style god. You know that your style's on 100. And our new designs, our Zeds, our Leons, our Audreys, which is probably one of my favorites, and our Arianas, these are new designs that we just dropped for both men and women that you can check out, and the quality and the build on Jade Black is insane. Bro, look at the attention to detail, right? Like even on the tip, you see that metal engraved Jade Black. The acetate is Italian. When you feel the build quality of these, you're not gonna believe these are only 49 bucks. Most people, if you go look at our reviews, when they buy our Jade Blacks, they see why our stuff is as good, if not better than designer wear. And the beauty of it is that you're not breaking the bank. This is my whole theory. This is everything that I talk about in my channel. See, when it comes to trends, when it comes to new stuff that you're trying out, I don't want you to go buy $400 glasses just to try out a trend. What if you don't like it? See, I would rather you spend $300 or $200 on 4 pairs of glasses. You buy some classic ones, you buy some trendy ones, and now you have a diverse portfolio of glasses that you can mix and match with your fits depending on how you're feeling. And now you're really leveling up, and you're only spending 49 bucks on handmade Mazzucchelli Italian acetate. I want you to understand, the same house that we take the acetate from for our glasses is the same acetate that you'll see in $300 to $400 glasses. Ours are 49 bucks. Out of all our companies, Jade Black is the hardest to stock because to get this acetate, the lead times right now are about 90 to 120 days. So when we sell out, this is why we're sold out most of the year. Right now, we just stocked up 11 designs, and if you've been wanting to pick up some Jade Blacks, I'd run down there, click the link down below, pick up a few pairs, not just for yourself, for your girlfriend as well, because I'm telling you, once these sell out, it takes forever to bring them back. Number 4, it's puffer vest, and you've probably seen me wear these a lot lately because I've been digging them a lot. It's kind of like a hoodie warmer. That's the way I see it. See, I love wearing hoodies. I'm wearing my Essentials hoodie right now. This is like my daily uniform. But when it's brick outside, it is freezing balls. I need to warm up the hoodie. So throwing on a nice puffer over it warms up the midsection of my body and adds that unique layering piece to add dimension to my fit. Like, I didn't actually put any extra effort, but that one extra layer makes your fit look more stylish. So it's easy to implement. It's crazy in style right now, and it has a ton of utility. Which rolls us on to number 5, denim jackets. Look, denim jackets have really never gone into style, but right now they're starting to peak, especially because because of our man Kanye. Man, he's been wearing that denim jacket hard lately. You've seen him around with Julia Fox. Literally every fit this man has had in the last 2 months, he's wearing that Balenci denim jacket. And here's the truth. If you want to hop on a trend before it starts peaking, you need to look at what he's doing. See, you cannot argue what this man does to the culture, what this man does for style. You can complain all you want. You can say he's crazy. Bro, just take a look at Yeezy Season 1. Go back and look at Yeezy Season 1, his entire collection. So many people back then, this was, I think, almost like 7, 8 years ago, so many people thought he was crazy, that it was trash, it was a crap collection, and today, that's all you see. That's all the color palette you see, that's the entire aesthetic and fit that you see. The man had a design 7 years ago. So if you want to hop in the trend, buy yourself an oversized Levi's jacket. The Balenci's like $4,000, but the Levi's is going to be like 50. And finally, number 6, I can't believe this is coming out of my mouth right now. 6-year-old Jose, or Jose from 6 years ago would probably be punching me in the throat, but square-toed shoes. I said it. Look, square-toed shoes are making a comeback. Now, I am not telling you to go buy those ungodly Skechers black square-toed dress shoes. That's not what I'm talking about right now. But there is a square-toed silhouette that's coming back, and you'll see it prevalent in a lot of designer boots. And I'm talking your Bottegas, your Balenci's. This silhouette is coming back, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I bought a pair. I did. I bought a pair, and honest, I'm digging it. I'm actually digging it. I like the aesthetic, I like the silhouette, especially in a casual setting. Square-toe shoes are coming back. It's probably the most risky trend out of all 6 of them, so tread carefully. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our J Blacks are stocked up, 11 new designs. If you guys want to check them out, they'll be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.